Hi there and welcome to SeekaHost. On this page you're going to find a detailed guide on how to create a WordPress blog. We're going to be going step by step right at the start from getting your domain to setting up your WordPress hosting, so you can use this page as an all-in-one guide to get yourself started. Now we're going to get started right from the beginning with the domains, and we're going to slowly make our way through until you've got yourself a complete site and you've learned every feature along the way. Of course, if you are just looking for certain bits, just make your way down the page and you're going to be able to find the relevant section to answer your question. With WordPress being the #1 website builder, making it easy for absolutely anybody to create a really nice looking site, so setting up your blog for whatever reason is also made super easy. So let's get into some of the things that you're going to learn as we go down the page and create your first WordPress blog. You find out exactly how to find your perfect domain using our easy search bar, how to add your WordPress sites to your list, change the name server so you can connect your WordPress hosting to your domain, all of your setting and configuration options to make sure that you know exactly what you're doing when configuring your WordPress site. Once you're all set up there, we're going to go through plugins, how to add new plugins, and especially how to add security plugins to make sure that you keep your WordPress site safe. You can create firewalls, anti-malware scanners, stop brute force attacks, or limit the amount of logins that people can do before they get locked out. You can ban users by their IPs, and you'll be surprised to see how much bad traffic it's actually going to stop. You can set up membership plugins so you can log in, register, check your account, and of course log out. Check out how to make some really good forums for absolutely free. Create really simple but effective booking forms. We even have a tutorial on how to add your WordPress blog to Cloudflare to optimize it and also add security. In the following section we're going to learn all about how to add pages, create your WordPress blogs, create your menus for easy navigation, learn how to add and use new themes on your WordPress site to completely change the appearance, and even use some of the preset templates that some of the themes will give you. You can also learn how to optimize your pictures to make sure they're optimized and run well better on your site so they don't take so much memory. You can find out how to add custom HTML so you can embed your YouTube videos and have them so people can watch them on your blog. We'll then go into posts with stuff like how to increase your SEO score, add nice featured images to come up for your posts, how to use SEO plugins to make sure that you're adding all of the relevant information so not only does your post display well, but it also gets read well by Google and other popular search engines. You can find ways to research keywords for absolutely free, and of course how to add Google and Clicky Analytics to your WordPress blog. And if you stick around till the end of the article, you're going to see some of our tips and trips on how to also export and migrate your entire WordPress site to another host if you need to. And you're going to be able to make a really impressive site with all the features that you want, including forums, GDPR cookie consent compliance plugins, and lots of other useful information to make sure that your site is slowly growing to get to the top.